Hey guys, so I have finally arrived Ibiza. I am gonna do a room tour, just basically because I don't want to have all the videos together. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how beautiful, like how lovely my room is. So I'm gonna have the videos divided into two parts, which this will be the first. And yeah, I'll just have any other activities I end up doing, in the next or the other video. So enjoy this view because it is pretty cool. Look at that. Like the entire hallway is just lit up. Lush. Okay, so let's get in. Oh, I have so many stuff in my hands now. My keys, card. Let's get it. Okay, so I did get in and I did a little bit of arrangement here. This is absolutely lovely. This is a washroom, starting off right at the door. I have like my toiletries here. Couldn't bring like a whole lot of stuff because obviously they just, seize it at the airport. And I did put away my clothes, which is weird. Not all of it though. I still have some in the bag, but I'm probably not going to wear all of it. These are like my vacay bags. Probably not going to carry all of them. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the entrance. I have some of my like sandals underneath and my heels. Probably won't see that right now. And this is a safe just in case I wanted to put in, valuable stuff and all of that. And right here is the bedroom. I do love this. Like this, I think is my favorite. Is the favorite thing about this room. Like just this light, like seeing it online and actually seeing it in real life is such a dream. Usually when you book like hotels or resorts like this, they show you one thing and then give you the absolute opposite when you get in. But this is pretty cool. I do love it. There's not a reflection from my bedroom to the washroom, which is nice. There's a little TV, just for relaxation and stuff. There's a mirror here. I love that it's like packed up with mirrors, I did get a champagne saying happy birthday from the Twiin. Yeah, so I'm actually staying at the Twiin Hotel, Ibiza. I guess that's what it's called. I did get a champagne. I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, it was a nice welcoming package. It was really nice. I do love my room a lot. And I am by the poolside. I'm gonna try to open it. Ooh! I am by the poolside, so like my view kind of, I'm able to see what the entire resort looks like just from my room. Like it's pretty cool. I do love this a lot. Like a whole lot. This is such a dream. Like I'm so mad at myself too because I forgot my tripod and I had all this like contents planned and all this stuff which I don't think I'm gonna be able to cover now because I don't know who's gonna be doing contents for me. Like I don't know who's gonna have to hold my phone or do all those stuff for me because nobody has the time here. Like everyone's out here to just enjoy their stay, just have a good vacation. So that's gonna be like one of the challenge that I'm probably gonna face on this trip. But so far it is pretty. I wanted to show you guys how lush this place looks. I'm pretty impressed. It's totally worth all of the money spent. And yeah, I'm hoping it will end up being a very good birthday. It's just really nice to be here in general. Like I've always wanted to come down to Ibiza. Like I just wish Baby O could have made it with me. Obviously, we're probably gonna have to come see it together again, like when he's not super swamped with work. But yeah, it is kind of cool. I like this stuff here that just like, I think the light turns off and it turns back on. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I do love everything about this room. I literally have no complaints. Like, literally have no complaints. I'm gonna try to take a shower, have a sip of my champagne, and I'm gonna get ready to probably go out and have dinner because they only have like a buffet here, and that's not really what I'm craving right now. So I'm probably gonna dress up and go out. It's pretty a walkable distance. It's nothing like fancy here. They like don't dress up for like dinners and stuff. It's pretty chill. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, freshen up, and probably go do that, and then yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about the room, and if you would ever want to stay here, because this hotel is pretty cool. I haven't even shown you guys the reception because that's just mind-blowing. But yeah, I do love it, and you guys will probably be seeing another video of me with everything I probably get up to, which I don't know if it's going to be much, because to be honest, I really want to rest on this trip. Like, I really do need to rest. But yeah, that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. So take care and bye for now.